What's up guys, Mr. and Mrs. Stang coming back at you with another video. For today's video I'm going to show you a quick install on the rear mud flaps. I don't know if you saw my last video on the front mud flaps install, but now I finally got the rear ones, so they are right here. These are OEM quality GT 500 2010 to 2012, I believe. So I ordered the right side on American Muscle, not knowing that it was only one-sided. Later to find out that when I went to go get the left one from them, they were out of stock. So I decided to go to CJ Pony Parts and then bought it from them. And then to find out that they didn't have the left one either, waited about like 2 more months and decided to cancel that order. And I decided to go with LMR. So LMR had the right side. They actually have both sides in stock, so if you do want to buy these, get them from them. All you'll need is just a small socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. All you need to do is remove these 3 screws right on the rear part of your fender here. It's going to be really tight fit on this last top bottom one. So when you go to put these in, the right side is labeled. For some reason the left side, doesn't have a giant L on it, but it is labeled right here. It is labeled, but not a giant R like that, which is weird. So you got your 3 screws, you just line those up. And right now it's upside down, so we'll put it like this. And if you notice here, there's a little clip, so you want to like dig this into the side, like underneath the fender, to make sure that tucks in there. So you want to just make sure you line up all your holes, and then just go ahead and put your screws in. Should hear it click in like that before you go ahead and put the screws in, by the way. I would recommend pushing it in so it's flush on the side here. So push it in when you screw it so it gets nice and tight on the flush side of it. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, so that's one side done. Looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Then you repeat the same process for the other side. So that will do it for the 2010 to 2012 GT 500 rear mud flap installation, which wasn't that bad. It's the right side. Once you got one side down, it's really easy to do the other. I wanted to protect the back of my car a little bit more, so I figured this was the best way to do it. And it's not like anything too abstract or anything. I think it actually complements the angles of the car pretty well too. So I think the front ones go perfect with it. Well, that'll do it for 2010 to 2014 S197 rear mud flap installation. And if you want to check out the front one as well, there's another video on that. Please like and subscribe, and if you like my car and like my girlfriend's car as well, Mrs. Stang, she's got the S550, check us out on Instagram too. Thanks, bye.